Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road.
What is it?
You say that's a PNG, not a DXL. Come through the PNG or not.
It won't convert to a vector.
I don't know. I think I'll let you know. As soon as I can get the son of a bitch downloaded. There we go. Computer's fucking slow. Are you recording your day or what?
I am, man. I got it.
I didn't get the finger real quick.
You can't say that on YouTube.
In case you know your phone is on.
Huh?
Your phone is on.
Yeah.
Okay. You know.
I got editing software. I can edit that right out of there.
What the hell are you doing?
Man, I'm just trying to get my channel back going.
Don't put my other ass on there.
No, I don't have clearance.
Clearance has been denied. No takeoff. Oh, shit.
Nah, I was gonna show everybody the process. I've been recording all my building my house and all that. I'm in YouTube jail right now. I hadn't uploaded in so long that they quit.
Yeah.
They won't let like all the views and stuff I get. I'm demonetized right now.
Yeah, you're gonna have to freaking update your account.
Yeah. Which those DXS usually it'll be that's a 3-dimensional. Most of the time that's a 3-dimensional file. You save it as a SVG or PNG.
Yeah. I would. If I ever get everything to come up.
Gotcha.
We're at a standstill.
Man, we're gonna have to talk. How you like the EV life?
Not too great.
Where was your head with that? Is that all they had in stock?
My dad ordered it, and then all of a sudden he didn't want it, and then he wanted it, and then he didn't want it, and so I'd already bought it, so I had to buy it.
Oh my!
So I just traded my other truck in, and that's what I'm driving.
When is the Raptor supposed to be here?
Hopefully soon, so I can go somewhere.
I looked. I was like, "There's no grill," and then I looked in the back, and there's no tailpipe. Bold move, God.
Look at that.
You gotta be kidding.
How many of these you need?
I need 4 of the 1-footers. Uh-oh.
Man, guess what just happened?
Fully come loose?
I'm hoping because it sure sounded like that locked up.
It did.
Holy motor's coming apart.
Dude.
Damn it, the bad. What did you do to me today?
Lemony Snickets, I guess. God dang.
Golly.
Ah.
I got a problem. I got a big tractor.
Oh, you don't have that 60 over there?
My 70 back in the woods. My 100 horse in the shop. You know, I really would rather go get that big tractor. I don't want that little old tractor there. I don't want to bend that bucket shit like that to.
That's fine.
Actually, it'd just be easier to pull over and let's just pull that off with the forklift.
Okay.
Can we get a strap on this?
I got a spud bar. We can get under it.
No, we get that.
Is that will your big tractor get around there without messing your grass and stuff up?
Yeah. I mean, it's either way. I mean, go over and unload it, or I can go get my tractor and come over here and do it.
You tell me. I can finally stand up straight, so I'm not really.
Well, I don't get a hold of that. Yeah,
Let me go ahead and unstrap it. You gonna use that plate dog? Or you got forks on that big one?
I can put forks on. I got forks over there.
Well, I mean, it's up to you. You just tell me. I'll get the plate dog and get everything rigged up for whenever you get back. Is what I'm saying.
Yeah, we're gonna. I'll either have. Yeah, do that. I'll do that.
Okay.
We'll do it. lay that up on those spears maybe, or?
It's up to you, man. If you think it'd be easier to load it in there.
I think so we can walk up that door and just kind of slide it over on the page.
Okay. Come here. Come here. What kind of wedge in between the two right there? Come that way. You go that way too?
Oh yeah, I wouldn't want to see it.
Too close?
It's close enough.
Oh, yeah. Give her hell.